The second problem we're going to work in Connect from Chapter 5, I guess that would be the fourth problem out of your homework, is the same as exercise 5-6 in the book. So it's on page 221. So in this exercise, we've got a company that's distributing a product. The selling price is $15 per unit. Variable expense is $12 per unit. Monthly fixed is $4,200. So there we've got everything we need to know. We just need to know what we're going to calculate. So what are we going to calculate? The company's break-even point in unit sales. So how many units do I have to sell to have zero profit and zero loss, right? Break-even point. Well, we can do that. All right. So I went ahead and wrote down the formula. I'm sorry, the equation. Profit is equal to unit contribution margin times the quantity we sell minus our fixed expenses, right? And in a break-even problem, we want to set our profit at 0, right? The unit contribution margin is, right, so contribution margin is nothing more than sales minus variable costs. In this case, it's by the unit, so it's 15 and 12. So 15 minus 12 times the quantity, again, minus, what did they tell us? 4,200, right? All right, so 0, so we're solving for Q, right? So we need to get Q over here, right? So just reducing this, 0 is equal to 3Q, right? 50 minus 12 is 3 times Q minus 4,200. So now I bring my 3Q over here and put 4,200 is equal to 4,200, right? 3Q is equal to, right? And then I can divide each side by 3, so that leaves me with Q is equal to 4,200 divided by 3. So quantity is equal to 1,400. There we go. So our break-even point is 1,400 units. All right. Now, question 2 says, calculate the company's break-even point in dollar. So that's easy. I already know it's 1,400 in units. So 1,400, and I know we sell them for 15. 1,400 units times $15 per unit is equal to 1,400 times 15 is equal to $21,000. All right, so there's our break-even point when we sell $21,000 worth of stuff. Okay, what's part 3? If the company's fixed expenses increase by 600, so now it's not going to be 4,200, it's going to be 4,200 is going to become 4,800. What would become of the new break-even point in sales and in dollars? All right, so well, let's do the units, right? So, right, profit is equal to unit contribution margin times Q minus fixed expenses. So we're setting profit at 0, right? That's what break-even means. Profit is 0, exactly. So it's still unit contribution margin is still the unit price minus the variable cost, which was 12 times Q, the quantity, minus, not equals, sorry, minus our fixed now is 4,800, right? Our new fixed. All right, so 0 is equal to 3Q minus 4,800. 3Q is equal to 4,800. And divide each side by 3. So you've got Q is equal to 4,800 divided by 3, which is equal to 1,600 units. All right. So That's pretty easy. So to calculate in terms of dollars, so I know my break even is 1,600 units. I know I sell them for $15 per unit. So 1,600 units times $15 per unit is equal to now $24,000 per unit. So my break even is higher at by 3,000 more. All right, well, I think that's it. Yep, that's it for that one. Good luck out there on Connect.